Welcome to my 2024 spring house tour. Here we start on my front porch. If you like the looks of this, I have a video coming up showing how I redid it. Front door is Hail Navy by Benjamin Moore. And here you can see the view of the front door and my recent new to me cabinet. Decorated for spring. Here's the pictures of the before of the living room and the now. I don't usually decorate too much on the dining room table except for holidays. You'll see the front windows that kind of sold us on the house, the beautiful lighting. Here's a view of what it looked like before and now. We hung a chandelier, we cleaned it up a bit, redid the fireplace. See my cat Gracie over there looking out the window. The fireplace we painted and constructed a new mantle. See Jasper there. And there's Gretchen. This is what the kitchen looked like before. As we walk in, you'll see my cutting board collection on the wall. And the grandfather clock. You can see my island that we built. Here was completely blank. We added cupboards, shelving, and moved the refrigerator over to this wall. The wallpaper is a brick peel and stick wallpaper from Amazon. And the pantry cupboard on the other side of the refrigerator. Picture I just recently got from Hobby Lobby. And this was a find at a local church rummage sale that I brought home and turned it into my spice rack. Here we moved the freezer to where the refrigerator originally had sit. And you'll see still the original countertops. I would love to change those eventually. More of that wallpaper on the backsplash. Here's what above the sink, we removed the apron and we replaced the sink and put a light up there. Another view of that beautiful island that my son had built for me. We had replaced all the hardware on the cabinets too to black. And here's my laundry room that's off of the kitchen. I have plans for this in the upcoming month to repaint the cabinets and kind of give it a refresh. It's not a very big space. It also has a door that leads out back, but this is where our washer and dryer obviously are, and also where we have our litter boxes for the cats. View of down the hallway. There is one room that I will not show. It's a bedroom that my son lives in, and for his privacy, I won't show that. But here's my peg rail with my plants on it down the hallway. Give a little greenery. And this is the picture of the master bathroom. And then here it is now. As you can see, I painted the cabinets navy and replaced the lights. Some artwork from Hobby Lobby. And they had done a wall treatment with some lath strips on it in here prior to us moving in. And then this door leads into where the tub, the toilet. Eventually we'd like to renovate and make it all one big bathroom. And then this is the master, the before shot. And here it is present day. Hung some round wall mirrors, some drapes from Big Lots, old vanity that I had refinished, spare closet, and then the door that leads out to the hallway. And you see Miss Addie here sitting. Here's a spare bedroom. As you can see, I tend to like the colors of blue and neutrals. That's the door that leads into the Jack and Jill bathroom that shares the bedroom with my son's bedroom. And as we finish up the tour, this is it was originally would classify as the dining room. You'll see the bifold doors, but we shut the bifold doors. The fish tank is on the one side, and this is my husband's study office space, spare bed. This is where we'll finish up the end of the tour. Thank you for coming along with me today and seeing the house from beginning to where it is now. I hope that you'll consider subscribing and liking this video. Thank you.